Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We haven't had any motors come up recently or they sold before I could even do a video. What we got for sale today is a 1988 Mercury 25 horse long shaft tiller model. This is electric start. We went through this one. Compression came back 100 psi on both cylinders. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, and new lower unit lube. We'll go ahead and fire this thing up. Give it a second here, pumping good water. This is two-stroke, so without going across the water, the smoke is going to stay stagnant. Turn on the fan here. Just wanted you guys to be able to hear it without the fan going. Go ahead and put it in reverse. Back to neutral. Use the kill switch. Fire it back up. This is a good running freshwater engine. If you are interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.